Greetings from Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. Today we have translation from the jar with POLLIES. Best greetings from POLLIES family, which is living here in Ukraine in this plastic box. We're actually native inhabitants of some places underground. Natural environment, but now we're here in culture. We already cultivated during 1 year. Some beetles are living here as well. Some small chuffers beetles crowding here in this place because we were living here and developing on this substrate during the winter and just hatched recently. And still crowding and living here, using some leaves maybe for food, for themselves and for POLLIES as well. They belonging to family Scarabaeidae, Scarabaeid beetles, small flower chaffer beetles. They're about 1 centimeter size. They are considered to be pests of some flowers in orchards, and sometimes can be dangerous in a big number in gardens. But they can be easily used for culture, cultivation. POLLIES are here very happy. We have a lot of families here. Here a huge colony, which more or less stabilized, stable colony, not increasing too much. Depends from food, from temperature, from reproduction, maybe from humidity as well. I use here plant substrate as a soil, and POLLIES are feeling pretty well here. 3 different families of beetles are still here, somewhere in the soil. Star beetles, family Lucanidae, 2 species of Scarabaeid beetles, and 1 species of Silphidae beetle. I'm not sure they're still here, somewhere hidden between leaves or maybe inside substrate. We use lamp for better light, so maybe some beetles can come later to our screen. Here's the family of POLLIES. Small one, big one, youngest and oldest. Youngest to smallest, and the oldest to the biggest. POLLIES, we have antennae and cerci, antennae on head. You see they're moving. POLLIES are not insects. POLLIES are crustaceous. Yeah, well, it looks very funny. We're not making rolls. This species, at least, despite we have a name POLLIES, we don't make rolls. Another name is woodlice. Woodlice, because we do like to live under the bark of trees. And beetles are living just, we have food on by petals of flowers. Larvae of beetles are living underground, feeding on some rotating plant substrate. So they're useful for making soil. They're not underground pests. Only beetles, adults, can be dangerous for flowers. Larvae are not dangerous for flowers. Roly-polies usually eating dead leaves, dead plants, but sometimes they can eat even green plants. I'm not sure who ate this plant, probably chafer beetle. Or maybe some roly-polies, you see. This leaf, like a net, like a mesh, was eaten by roly-polies. Many interesting species living in different countries. Russian name Mokritsa. Mokritsa. Mokritsi. Very common for wet places, but relatively wet places. Too much moisture is not important. We live in just in wet places. We can live sometimes in toilet, in bathroom, near water, because we can move using pipes from first floor till the fifth floor. No, this is belonging to the group named ISOPODA, равноногие раки. Сороконожка — это совсем другое насекомое, животное, которое тоже не насекомое. А это называется ракообразное, равноногий рак или мокрица. Маленькие личинки, взрослые, большие. Who's here? Yes, a big family. Big family. Smallest, youngest, and biggest, the oldest. These are not the smallest. In last stream we had a very small, very young babies. We have a white color. Here we have also white specimens, because these organisms, they're making molting. This is molted specimens. We take off their skin and eat it. We can feed on some tissue of skin, but during a certain period, maybe one day, the specimens will be white color. And later, covers is hardening, color is changing to the dark. Here I had two different variations of roly-polies. I'm not sure one species or not, but at present time on screen we have one species. I had also another species, big one, green Cetonia. But Cetonia is hidden somewhere. Жуки маленькие называются аленка волосатая. Семейство хрущи, Scarabaeidae. I'm translating this video from Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, so I speak English and some other countries can watch it permanently on my YouTube channel. I have also TikTok channel. I have my Facebook and Instagram. So welcome to visit my another video on my YouTube channel. Welcome to be sponsor channel if you like. If you like to support my channel, to learn more about entomology, about insects and other invertebrates and about biology. And definitely I talk more about entomology. No, I can say not so cold in Kyiv. Today we had 17 Celsius degree, more or less warm. Evening time less than 10 degree midnight. Night is cold now, but next days it's expected to be warmer. So temperature more or less okay. This individual white is molted after molting. It's funny that some adults were can molt as well. Not only larvae, but also some adults were molting from time to time. But definitely the larvae are molting and they are growing step by step. I collected these funny POLLIES on the surface of some I'm not learning English. You can learn English. I already know English. You can learn English if you like. So that's why I'm talking English, because many people from 50 countries can watch this video, can understand. And if you use Spanish accent, Russian accent, Ukrainian accent, it doesn't matter. The most important to speak English and to make sentences and sense of your story. Most important to make story about something and to have knowledge about something. I have some knowledge about entomology, zoology, if you don't like English, so go out of my channel. If you like English, so you are welcome. If you want to know more about other countries, welcome to watch my video about other countries and animals in other countries. Like I uploaded recently more my adventures with story about Mexico. And this user who is just making comments has a very polite name, very pleasant personal name. Probably this is name of which was used in a school. Nickname in a school or in a college. So very polite, very appreciated name. Like in school, everyone has this nickname. So this is your nickname from school. Where is another beetles? Some other beetles somewhere hidden here. Yesterday was more funny. All the beetles were very active. Were crowding here around. Stag beetle was active. Flower chaffers were active. Today we have only POLLIES. Snails? No, I don't have snails. We're very lazy. We move very slowly. It's quite easy to give some food for ROLLY because they eat dead leaves of plants. So plants should be dry, crushed, so they can take small pieces with their mouth parts and eat it piece by piece. For sure, these tiny ROLLY they do not bite. Do not bite, do not sting. They're very peaceful. Here you can see some funny communication, competition or communication using the antenna. We're just talking between them. Oh yes, one beetle was coming. This one, Silphidae beetle, was attracted by light. Decided to check what's going on. Hello, hello. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for your attention. See you soon on my channel again, next evening time. Good luck, see you soon. Bye bye, good luck. Subscribe to my channel if you was coming first time. Good luck.